Back again on a new video reaction. I am here to react on a video that will interest you to know. To interest you to know this because many people in the past have been doing the same thing, committing a lot of crime simply because they want to tarnish the image of Biafra Liberation Army in in the name of getting back at PM. Okay, the target is to blackmail Biafrans and the effort of Biafrans and Igbo in general. And guess who are propagating those evil? Many of them are Igbos. They'll be the one to start jumping up in social media. Oh, see your people, your boys, you do this, do that. They're kidnappers, they're kidnapping, they're kidnapping. Now, this our brother here have something to say, which I'm going to allow him to say very soon. But I just want to lay the background of the video because so that you understand the angle where this our brother is coming from. This is one of the commander in Biafra Liberation Army called I think his name is Odumegu. I will play the video so I don't want to mispronounce his name. He's one of the people that kidnappers have used his name. Oh, they are demanding ransom. They are kidnapping. Enough for somebody no one Europe on a claim. Oh, Nana that I need will give Bundi name cause. Blackmail and propaganda is very, very deadly. But I thank God that he made this video so that anyone that is denying or that is in denial anyway, saying that this man, this our brother of a Biafran Liberation Army, are kidnapping and taking ransom and doing this and doing that, we understand that 99% of what they're saying is wrong. Is totally wrong because they are not the one demanding for money. They are not the one. I watched a video last week. The reason why I'm not bringing most of these videos is because you will see, and then even there's a video that Ikenga was sharing that Commander Gento, okay, no bulumad, no bepulumad is no man because they have voice that kind of background. To use AI to fake people's voice, it is no longer a difficult thing. It is your money. If you can pay online, you can get it done. Somebody can mimic my voice. Somebody can use the voice of PM today. It will deepfake, okay, and control everything. When you are listening to the voice, you think that PM is talking to you. Okay, so people who don't know about this thing, they are easily fall for that because they think that they know everything, but you don't know that came and caused. I'm saying this because many people actually believe, even some of our brothers still believe, some of them believe that different Liberation Army somehow hijack car, kidnap, and sell, anarchy or black. You bring the imagination of what old ESN was doing to this new Biafran Liberation Army is unfair, and I'm one of the person that like to to stand on something that is truth. I don't like to whenever I see where someone is being painted bad for that person for the person to be quiet or sent to judgment, I always add my opinion just to distance myself and reject that kind of thing, because if you support evil, evil will come to you. Okay, a lot of people claiming that because they don't understand that criminals can fake people, use people's name to commit crime. But the video like this, stand out, and it will go a long way to help people to understand the impunity that all the criminals are committing in the Biafra land in the name of Biafran Liberation Army. Some are doing it, they'll just orchestrate it just to make sure that they okay, see the video. That is why we are doing what we are doing. We are stopping the criminals, Simon Ekpa's boys. But they will not tell you the truth, that what they are saying or what they are doing is not in line with what Biafran Liberation Army are doing. After organizing people to commit crime in the name of Biafran Liberation Army, they will quickly use that video they'll be the one to start sharing it to, to blackmail. That, oh, see, he said it, he said that. This is what he said. This is what he said. Now hear what this commander said.
Greetings, great Biafrans. Greetings, lovers of freedom. My name is Great Odumegu, aka Ompa. Please, I want to bring this urgent information to all Biafrans. There is information reaching me that some people are using my name, Great Odumegu, to call people and demand for ransom and demand for money to do work for them, to do something for them. I want you to know this. Biafra Repression Army can never call you and demand for money for them to do anything for you. We can never call you on phone and demand for money. We don't demand for ransom. We only take whatever come from your mind. Anything that you give to us that come from your mind, we can never demand for anything. Anybody that called you and say you should give him money or give him anything, ignore that person. It's not Biafran Army. It's not Repression Army. They are all criminals. I have never, and I can never call anybody and demand for ransom and demand for money. Are you getting me?
So that message is very, very plain. Those who will listen will listen. Some will still go and pretend they do not hear anything, just to blackmail. So I said it in the past, I'm saying it again. I've said it before, I'm saying it again, because if you want to give or believe criminals, that is your own. Because ị esi n'ụtọ alụ ama, esi n'isisi alụ ama ụtọ nsị okwekesasị ya na Igbo. Because ị ga-enegodi the leader. When you see PM who is the leader, what he can do, then that will tell you what the group can achieve, or what they stand for. The training is there, the clarity is there, everything you want is there. So let's not just use this opportunity to commit nuisance in the name of I don't know, oh, had I know. Please, the message is very, very clear, and I just want to share it with you so that nobody will fall victim to that. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, of course. Tell me what you think about what the commander said. Have you witnessed that in the past? What's your own opinion? God bless you. Bye bye for now.